so slow. Guys, welcome to another Mark Makes Tricks of the Trade video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your hacksaw into a chainsaw. Now, I certainly don't have anything against this saw. It does work well for certain tasks, but I thought today, why don't I put a chain on it so I can really rip through some timber. So first thing's going to be heading to my local hardware up the road and grabbing a length of chain. Right, we've got to look for the chains. Here we go. Perfect. Got a good selection here, but I think this one here will do just fine. Success! I've got what I needed. A meter of chain. Now it's time to put it on the saw. Alright, back in the shed now, and it's time to take the blade of this hacksaw. So just unscrewed it here, loosen that off, get rid of this, don't need that anymore. Grab my chain and fit that onto the end. Just got to cut it off on this link. So just use some pliers to cut that. And put the new chain on. Just tighten it back up again. Look at that. Beautiful. A nice chainsaw if you ask me. So now it's time to test it out. Okay, not quite sure what's going on here. It's the right way around now. It's a brand new chain. It just doesn't seem to be cutting as fast as I thought it would be. So what I'm going to do is get a chainsaw sharpener and just give it a sharpen, because it could be that it's completely blunt. So I'll just take it to the other side of the workshop here and put it in the vise. Got this nicely secured in the vise and this chainsaw sharpener. And so I'm just going to go through and sharpen the blade. Yeah, it's looking pretty blunt, so I think this should do the trick. Alright, that's done. Now let's give it another go. Now this should work a treat. Like a hot knife through butter, eh? So as you can see, mate, this chain has done some serious damage to the timber. It's really ripping through it right there. So I think this chainsaw has been a great success. Yeah, after I gave it a good sharpen, you can see it really ripped through that timber. No mucking around. And yeah, I think I'm going to keep this blade on for my future projects. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you on the next one. Well, that was a bit of a waste of time, wasn't it?